Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find top and dollar within category in Tableau. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to filter your visualizations to show only the highest or lowest performing items in your dataset, like your top selling products or best performing regions. First, open your browser and navigate to the Tableau website by typing in www.tableau.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to either sign in to your existing account or open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public, depending on which version you're working with. If you have an account, simply click the Sign In button to access your workspace. Next, you'll want to create or open a workbook where you'll build your visualization. Click on Explore and then Start a new workbook by clicking on New. A drop-down selection will appear. And from there, select Workbook. This creates a fresh canvas for you to work with your data. Now it's time to connect to your data source. In the Start page, you'll see a Connect section where you can choose from various options like Excel, text file, or a database connection. For this tutorial, click on Files and then Upload from Computer. Browse through your files and select the dataset you wish to use in Tableau, then click Open. Once your file finishes uploading, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook, so go ahead and type that in. Then click Publish. Give it a moment to process and save your work. With your data connected, it's time to start building your view. Drag a dimension to the rows shelf and a measure to the columns shelf to create a basic visualization. For this tutorial, we'll drag total sales to columns and product name to rows. This creates a simple bar chart that shows the sales performance of each product. You should now see a visual graph displaying your total sales data. Here's where the magic happens. To access the top end feature, drag another instance of product name onto the Filters tab. This is the key step that allows you to filter down to only your top performers. A customization window will pop up on your screen. Under the General tab, make sure to check all the products first. Then look for the top/bottom section. This is exactly where you set your top end parameter. This is what gives you control over how many items you want to display. In this section, under the rank and count field, you can leave the settings as they are, since you only need to adjust the number to define your top end. Set the field to total sales, which we selected earlier, and the aggregation to count. This tells Tableau which metric to use when ranking your products. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on Apply, and then OK. Your visual representation will instantly adjust to show only the top end items based on the number you specified. For example, if you set it to 10, you'll see the top 10 highest selling products, or if you set it to 5, you'll see the top 5. This filtered view makes it much easier to focus on your best performers and make data-driven decisions. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully filtered your Tableau visualization to show only your top performers within a specific category. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.